I'll tell you how it feels to like the RS7 or something, because I was just in that the other day.
It's kind of loud.
Shit, yeah. It's different inside.
I'll be right back. Two-step didn't engage right there.
Yeah. You know, this will feel a lot crazier than like the RS7 or something like that, just because it's rear-wheel drive.
It doesn't hook though, see that's the thing.
Yeah, that's why I feel way crazier. or something like that, just because it's rear-wheel drive.
Guys, the Cobra has 43,398. I got the car with 34,600. So we put almost 10,000 miles on this puppy in the past year, which isn't a lot, but a lot of good memories with the Cobra. You know, one of those memories was Matt taking a ride in my car and he didn't even like it. But she does all right. I'm ready for more power. More power is coming soon for the Cobra. I'm just saying. What I want to do, I want to leave it as a surprise, but it's going to be something with the blower. So just temporary before I get another one. But I'm pretty sure you guys can figure that out by now as to what that is. There's a CTSV behind me with a family in it. That's big. CTSV is definitely like one of those cars that's a good family car. Like, you know, your wife would like say, oh yeah, we can get that. It's a 4-seater. It'll fit. It looks amazing though. I love that car. What would you guys pick? A CTSV or a Hellcat Charger? I think if you really love luxury, then I would go with the Cadillac, but the Charger just, they're both badass, but you know, I don't know. I like both cars. Oh shit. It's almost hit me behind me, bro. Oh. God damn. There's a homeless man standing in front of me. Hey, sir. Yeah, no problem. That's my good deed for the day. Anything helps, right? Yeah. I think so. Normally, like, I don't be giving money to homeless people like that. Like, for all I know, he could have made up that sign and, you know, said, like, you know, he might be just getting it for beer or drugs or something like that. But all I know is that I did my part, and, you know, it's uncomfortable sometimes because you don't know their story or anything like that, and it didn't even seem like he really knew how to, or he had some speech impediment or impairment, whatever you want to call it, but you know, I gave him some money, and that's my good deed for the day. So, hey, there's a Shelby Cobra right there, bro, pulling up. Yeah. Subi gang. I understand why on Sunday, bro, it's so crowded. Hey, Throwback Thursday. Throwback Thursday? Hey, we're pulling a Street Speed 717. I didn't want to bring out the big camera because, you know, people get intimidated.
Does he vlog on the GoPro? from?
Street Speed? Oh, hell yeah.
I don't watch him. So
Oh, yeah. Street Speed 717. TJ Hunt. That dude in blue. I think that dude in blue is actually the one who like started it for me all because I saw his video when he traded in his Mustang GT for the 5.0. And have you ever seen that video?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, he traded in like a 3-valve for the 5.0.
Yeah, that's what made me start watching it.
Yeah, so that was the introduction video and he blew up after that. So I thought that was pretty sick. Like, I don't understand. Why would you see a movie on a Sunday?
Friday or Saturday.
Like, a Sunday, I can't do. It says keep out. Yeah, I wouldn't do it, to be honest. That's just my 2 cents. All right.
Say it inside your head.
What?
Say it inside your head or something. I don't know. Nah, it wouldn't.
Hey, you think I could, if I landed on there, then my wish is definitely coming true.
Yeah, probably. Ooh, got it. Got it.
No, it didn't.
Did it?
It did not land. It went on the other side.
No, it went up there.
Yeah. It is a sketch. It's stick shift.
Yeah, look at the seats.
I don't
Really?
think
Someone's gonna pay that much.
But
for
why? These are fake SRT wheels.
No, those are real.
No, those are fake. Those
No,
in,
what size are they?
those are fake. Those are 22s. They do not sell SRT wheels in 22 inches for stock. It's 20 inches. There's no way. So I'm on my way to pick up my last paycheck. I don't even know how I have a paycheck because I didn't even work the last like 4 weeks before I even said I wasn't working. So I guess we'll find out what this is. But so on our way there. It was crazy working where I worked. It was a lot of hard work, let me tell you. And working outside in 100-degree heat during that last summer was torture, man. But you know, we got through it, and you know, I moved on to bigger and better things and making content for you guys. So I appreciate all you guys, and I just can't believe that it's happening. And I get to make videos like as a hobby, and I get paid to do that. I just can't thank you guys enough. And if you guys are new to the channel, please like and subscribe, share with your friends. But yeah, it's a pretty big moment just picking up my last paycheck. So we'll see you guys when we get there. That is that's a ZR1, bro.